focus for us is the way to get the win. Now, before the match, is not important. Are thinking about the finish top on the table. The most important is the focus on the way to win the match tomorrow, because it's not easy match. I think play against one team the more similar idea or still. And I think it's a very important match, but the focus is not finish top on the table. The focus is to be loyal in our idea and in the way to get the win.
My question to Koro. Koro, you missed 3 successive games due to injury for the first time in your career here. So were you anxious to get back? Did you feel any pressure? And then you made a successful comeback. So were you anxious to come back and get going?
Yeah, it's true that due to injuries I missed the first 3 games, but I got back with a good experience. Every time we go out there, we go out for the 3 points, we try to go our 100%. I think that's the most important for all of us.
I think tomorrow is very important, keep the possession, have the ball, because the team don't have the ball, suffer too much in these matches. Odisha play very well for me. When I can see the matches, Odisha is a very good team, and I think tomorrow is always for us is important to keep the possession and have the ball, but tomorrow I think is more important.
Tomorrow we have a big test here in Goa versus a team that I think that is doing fantastic. A team that had a lot of difficulties this start of the league, with a lot of injury players and suspension, and even like this, they got the results and they were in the top of the table at the end of this last round 7. Or round 8. I think that tomorrow is a tough game for us. I think that they aim to come and try to get a result. If not, better that we don't come, no? We know the difficulty. We think that Goa is a very good team. We have all the respects, but we came here with this aim to try to get a result.